Noma, Josefa, Unib, Yashika completed the homework? Yes or no? Yes or no? Josefa, Noma, Unib, Yashika? No?
Sir.
No? Okay, please complete this homework today. Okay? Hopefully, we will try our best to complete this chapter today so that we can start the determinants from tomorrow. Okay, so I guess the same status with everyone. No one has completed the homework, so please complete it. Okay. Okay, in the previous class, we have discussed this theorem. Express the matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. And I guess we have solved one question on the basis of this, the same question. Okay. Now we will start our next topic. Next topic is question based on application of matrices. Okay, question based on application of matrices. So the first question is this one. In this type of questions, you will get the word problems. You need to solve the word problems by using the matrix. So in such type of question, first of all, please do a rough calculation. Okay, and in rough, please first of all decide that what the final equation you will need. Randomly, we can't make any matrix. Okay, we will take this question. Use matrix multiplication to divide rupees 30,000 in two parts such that the total annual interest at 9% on the first part and 11 part on the second part amount to rupees this one. Okay. Now, the formula for simple interest is what? Simple interest is, you already know, principal into rate of interest into time by 100. Okay. In this question, what is given? Use matrix multiplication to divide rupees 30,000. You have rupees 30,000. You need to divide this rupees into two parts such that the total annual interest at 9% on the first part and 11% on the second part amount rupees this one. Okay. So what we will do, let the first part be, let the first part be X, let the second part be 30,000 minus X. So we have this amount, we have divided this amount into two parts. First is X and second is 30%, 30,000 minus X. Now the rate of interest on the first part is 9%. On the second part is, on the first part 9%, on the second part 11%. Okay. Now in a rough, we will do a calculation that what finally we need. We need to calculate the simple interest both on the first part and the second part. So simple interest on the first part, this is equal to principal is X, rate of interest is 9%, time we will take as 1. Okay, because we are finding the interest for 1 year into 1 by 100. So we can write it like this, X into 9 by 100. Now similarly, simple interest, if we will calculate on the second part, so this will be 30,000 minus X into rate of interest is 11 by 100. Okay, again 1. So we will get this expression. Now we need to add these two. So what we are doing, we are multiplying the principal with the rate of interest and we are adding both these points. So we will form the matrix and we will check that which type of matrix is possible for this case. Okay. So first of all, for the principal amount, we have two options. Either we can form a matrix like this, X 30,000 minus X, or we have the second option. Okay. In exam, you don't need to show both the options. Okay. I'm just telling you how to select the matrix. Now rate of interest is equal to The rate of interest is what? Again, we have two options, 9% here and 11% here, or we can write like this, 9% here and 11% here. Okay, so for the simple interest, what you will do, you will multiply the two matrices. Now the order of this matrix is 1 by 2. Order of this matrix is again 1 by 2. This is what? 2 by 1. This is 2 by 1. So for the principal amount, we can select this one. Okay, or this one. Rate of interest, we can select this. What we need to do, we have to multiply this one. Principal into rate, if you will multiply, then we will get this expression. Okay, now any idea? I will say this is 1, or I will say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So everyone, please tell me which matrix we need to multiply. A with C or A with D, B with C or B with D. Please tell me the options. Okay, Noma is saying A with D. Okay. Josefa, Unib, Yashika, which matrices we need to multiply? Josefa, Unib, Yashika. Okay,
Sir,
Josefa.
A with
A with
D or B with C.
A with D or B with C. If you will multiply this one, B with C only, okay, then what will be the order of the resultant matrix?
Sir, 1 in 1.
No, 2 by 2. If you will multiply B with C, you will get a 2 by 2. Okay, but we don't need 2 by 2. We just need a only single expression. That's why we will multiply this one. So Josefa, Yashika, Noma, your answer is correct. Okay, we will use this one, this and this one, 9% and 11%. Muni, please check here. If you will multiply these two, so this is 1 into 2, this is 2 into 1. So final answer which we will get is 1 by 1. Finally, we just need a single expression. This is clear, Muni?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will multiply these two, then what we will get? First row, first column. Okay, so simple interest is equal to, we will get what? First row means x into 9, 9% into x plus 11% into, I will write here. Okay, I don't have the space. So 11% into 30,000 minus x. 30,000 minus x. Okay, and this is a single term. So so we can write simple interest is equal to 9 into x. Okay, 9% into x plus 11% into this plus 11% into 30,000 minus x. We get this one. So simple interest is equal to 9x by 100 plus 11 into 30,000 minus x by 100. Okay, so now what is the total interest on the second to divide to such that total annual interest? Annual is given, that's why we have taken time as 1 year. Annual interest will be equal to 3060. So this is given. Here we can write 3060 is equal to, now here we will do the calculation, take 100 LCM. Here we will get 9x, open this bracket, 33,0 minus 11x. So here we will get 3060 and this is equal to 330 minus 2x by 100. Okay, cross multiply this one. So you will get 3060 into 100. Okay, 306000 is equal to 330 minus 2x. So shift this to the left side. So you will get 2x is equal to 330,000 minus 306,000. So what you will get? 330,000, 306,000. Subtract this 0, 0, 0. Here you will get 4. Here you will get 2. So we are getting 2x is equal to 24,000. And here we will get x is equal to 12,000. Okay, x is 12,000. So first part is equal to 12,000 and second part is equal to 30,000 minus 12,000, which will give you 18,000. This is clear for everyone. Josefa, Noma, Unib, Yashika, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Josefa. Okay, Unib. Yashika, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in starting of the question, we can't decide that what matrix we need to form. So the best thing is in your rough side, on your rough page, please first of all do the calculation that what expression do you need. Then check what the options do you have in terms of matrix and which matrix you need to select. Okay, we can't solve this question randomly. We can't select a matrix randomly and try to solve it. So first of all, in a rough side, please do the calculation that, okay, at the end of the problem, we need this expression. And according to that, please select the matrix. This is clear? Okay, so please note down this question. Okay, and I hope everyone understand that how you need to solve it. Please note down this.
सर इसमें b with c भी तो मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते थे ना?
B, no. Let me show you. The order of matrix B is 2 by 1 and the order of the C is 1 by 2. If you will multiply these 1 by 2, if you will multiply this, then Noma, what will be the final order?
2 cross 1.
2 by 2. These two are same, so that's why BC you will get 2 by 2. So you will get 4 elements in the matrix. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so in the rough side, we have done the calculation. We just need a single expression. Okay, so Noma, after the class, you can try this part in your homework. Okay, try to multiply B and C and please check that what the problem you will get if you will select B and C. Okay, please note down this, confirm me, then we will start the next type of question. Please note down this, let me know, then I will change the slide. This is done. Shall I change the slide? Okay, Noma. Okay, Unib and Yashika, shall I change the slide this time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Unib,
Yes, sir.
okay. Please note down this one. Neep, Josefa, Yashika, Noma, please confirm once it is done. Okay, Noma. Josefa, Unib, Yashika, please confirm if it is done. Josefa, Unib, Yashika, shall we start next? Okay, Yashika. Okay, Josefa. Unib, this is done. Unib, this is done. Shall we start next? Unib, this completed. Unib, no reply. So that means, I guess you have completed this. Okay. So all of you, this question is your homework, but I'm taking a break of 15 minutes. So in the meantime, you can try to solve this question. But if you have a doubt, then we will discuss this in the next class. Okay. So just give me. Okay. So please try to solve this in 15 minutes. And okay. And we have a break of 15 minutes. After that, we will continue this. Thank you. Hello everyone. My voice is audible. My voice is audible. Josefa, Numa, Unib, Yashika.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this question was homework. Okay, so please try to solve this question. And if you have a doubt, then we will discuss this in the next class. Okay. Okay. Next is questions based on principle of mathematical induction. Okay, this is our last topic. Josefa, Numa, Unib. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Josefa, Unib. Josefa, Unib, my voice is audible. Okay, Josefa. Okay, so we will start this type question based on principle of mathematical induction. Okay. Now, suppose we have this question. In all these types of questions, we need to perform always 3 steps. Okay. We will check that what are the steps. In this question, it is given A is a matrix, values are given. We need to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. So always remember, this is the type of formula. Okay, so always remember, if you need to prove a formula, then we can't put any value and show that, okay, LHS is equal to RHS, so this formula is correct. This method is not correct, okay? Because maybe some formula can valid for value up to 99, but even but after that, maybe there are chances that formula will become incorrect, okay? So in these types of question, we use the principle of mathematical induction. Okay, we have 3 steps. In every type of questions, you need to perform the same steps. First of all, we have this expression AI plus BA n is equal to ANI plus n in plus n into A n minus 1 BA. Okay, step 1. Let this be 1. Step 1 is put n is equal to 1 in your expression. Okay, in first, in place of n, put 1. What you will get, AI plus BA is equal to, in place of n, you will put 1. So AI plus 1 into A1 minus 1 BA. So this will give you AI plus BA is equal to AI plus BA. Okay, so can we say that LHS is equal to RHS? In step 1, can we say that LHS is equal to RHS? Everyone, Zephyr, Noma, Yashika, this is clear. Can we say that LHS is equal to RHS?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Zephyr, Yashika, this is clear. Step 1.
Yes, sir. तो
Okay.
PMI तो डिलीट हो गया था ना?
हाँ, PMI डिलीट हो गया इन क्लास 11th, है ना? बट क्लास 12th में इस टॉपिक में उसका यूज है PMI का, और जो न्यू सिलेबस है हमने डिस्कस किया था लास्ट टाइम, तो ये टॉपिक डिलीट नहीं हुआ था. ठीक है ना?
ओके सर, बट सर हमें स्कूल में नहीं करवाया PMI के
ठीक है.
क्वेश्चंस.
ओके ओके, नोमा बट कर लेते हैं ना, क्योंकि CBSE के जो हमने सिलेबस देखा था लास्ट टाइम, उन्होंने मैट्रिसेस में से सिर्फ इनवर्स का पोर्शन रिमूव किया था. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
Okay. So this is the step 1 where we have put n is equal to 1 and we get this expression. So we can say that result is true. Result is true for n is equal to 1. This is the first step. Next, step 2. Let the result is true. Let the result is true for n is equal to k. Okay, this is the second step. We will assume that the result is true for n is equal to k. So what does this mean? we will put in place of n k. Okay, BA is equal to the power k. This is equal to a to the power k I plus k a k minus 1 b a. Okay, let the result is true for n is equal to k. So in place of n, we have put k. Now in our calculation, we use this result. Okay, now step 3. Now we need to show that the result is true, result is true for n is equal to k plus 1 whenever it is true for n is equal to k. Okay, now in step 3, we need to show that the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1 whenever it is true for n is equal to k. So what does that mean? Now in place of n, put k plus 1, put n is equal to k plus 1. So what you will get? AI plus BA, AI plus BA to the power k plus 1. This is equal to a to the power k plus 1 into I plus k plus 1 a to the power k plus 1 minus 1 BA. Okay, we need to prove this. So that means we need to prove AI plus BA to the power k plus 1. And this is equal to a to the power k plus 1 I plus k plus 1 into a to the power k BA. So we need to prove this one. Okay, again we will check. In these types of questions, you always need to perform 3 steps. Step 1 is always put n is equal to 1. In step 2, assume that the result is true for n is equal to k. In the third step, you need to show that the result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Okay, now take LHS. Here we will take LHS. So LHS means AI plus BA to the power k plus 1. And this is equal to, now here we are adding the two powers. So that means AI plus BA to the power k into AI plus BA. Okay, this is equal to, now in place of this AI plus BA to the power k, if we will check the previous slide, then we have this value. AI plus BA to the power k is equal to a to the power ki, a to the power ki plus k minus 1, k minus 1 and BA. Okay, so in place of this value, we have put this into, we have this one, AI plus BA. Up to this step is clear to everyone. Josefa, Noma, Yashika, Unip. Up to this step, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Josefa, Yashika, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, Unip. Okay, now please open the bracket. So you will get, open this bracket, a to the power ki into AI plus this one, a to the power ki into BA plus k into ak minus 1 into b into a into ai plus k into ak minus 1 ba into ba. Okay, now solve it. Here we have a to the power k into a, so this becomes ak plus 1. Always remember, I will get multiplied. If you will multiply the identity matrix with any matrix, you will get the same matrix. Here we have I into I, so this will always give you I. Plus, now here a to the power k, here you have this constant b. This is identity matrix and this is a matrix A. If you will multiply the identity with any matrix, you will again get the same matrix. Please remember this result. Here you have k, a k minus 1. Okay, here we have b, here we have a, here we will get a. Plus this k, a, k minus 1, b square. Okay, and a into a. Now we need to find the value a into a. What is a? 0, 1, 0, 0. So a, we have this value 1, 0, 0, 0. Sorry, 0, 1. Okay, value is 0. This is 1. Now if you will find a square, then this is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. This is 0, 1, 0, 0. This is equal to first row, first column, you will get 0. This is you will get 0. This you will get 0, and this you will get 0. Okay, so that means a square is equal to null matrix. Here we will write this value, null matrix. Here we get ak plus 1 into I, plus here we can take out common. We can take a to the power a k common. We can take b common. Okay, okay, this will get added. So first of all, k a, the power will get added. So we will get a to the power k, b a plus null matrix. This is equal to a to the power k plus 1 I, plus from this take anything common, a to the power k b a, and here we will get 1 plus k, which we need to prove. Okay, so that means we get LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so we will write, hence the result is true. The result is true for n is equal to k plus 1 whenever it is true, for n is equal to k. So by principle of okay, so by principle of mathematical induction, the result is true. The result is true for, जो भी आपसे यहाँ क्वेश्चन में उसने पूछा है, क्वेश्चन इज फॉर n is a positive integer, so you can write is true for all positive integer, all positive integer. Okay, this is clear to everyone? Josefa, Numa, Unib, Yashika.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Josefa, Unib, Yashika, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Josefa and Unib. Okay, Unib, this is clear. So in these types of question, okay, you need to perform 3 steps. First step, n is equal to 1. Second step, n is equal to k. Third step, you need to prove n is equal to k plus 1. I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down this, confirm me. Then we will try one more questions on the basis of this. Please let me know once you complete it so that I can change the slide. Okay, Noma, very good. Josefa, Unib, Yashika, this is done. Shall I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Josefa, Unib, Josefa and Unib, shall I change the slide? This is done. Okay, Josefa. Unib, shall I change the slide? Unib, this is done. Unib, I'm changing the slide. Okay. If some steps are left, please let me know. All of you, please complete this. Everyone, please let me know once it is completed. Please let me know if it is completed. Okay, Noma, very good. Josefa, Unib, Yashika, this is done. Shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Muzaffar? Okay. Uneep, this is done. Uneep, this is done. Shall we start next? Okay. Uneep, I'm going to start next one. If you miss anything, then please let me know. Okay. Now, next question. Next is matrix A is given. You need to prove a to the power n is equal to this one where n belongs to natural number. So please start from the same one. Okay. Please try to this question on your own and let me know if anyone have a doubt in this one. Okay, please complete this. First perform step 1. Okay, put n is equal to 1. What you will get? A to the power 1 is equal to 3, 1 minus 1. That means 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0. Again 3 to the power 0. Okay, and here you will get A is equal to 111, which is already given in the question. So that means this is true, which is true, which is true. Okay, now please start with step 2. What was the step 2? Let result is true for, let result is true for n is equal to k. So you will get a to the power k is equal to 3 to the power k minus 1, 3 to the power k minus 1. Similarly, 3 to the power k minus 1. K minus 1, k minus 1, k minus 1. And similarly, here you have k minus 1, k minus 1, and k minus 1. Okay. Step 3. Now we have to show that this is also true for k plus 1. You can write the same language which you have written in the previous question. Now you need to prove that ak plus 1 is equal to what? Finally, you will get 3 to the power k. So you need to prove this point. So please take LHS and try to prove that this is equal to 3 to the power k at all the places. Okay, please prove step 3 and confirm me, then you can start the next topic. Everyone, please complete this and let me know if you have any doubt in this or if you have completed this. Okay. Noma, this is done. Huzaifa, Munib, Yashika.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Noma, very good. Huzaifa, Munib, Yashika, this is completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Huzaifa, good. Munib, this is done. Munib, this is completed. Munib, I'm going to start next question. If you have any doubt in this, then please let me know. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Then we do a next type of question. In the question, it is given that A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order. Then show that AB is symmetric if and only if A and B commute. Okay. So what does this mean? Numa, what is symmetric matrix?
A transpose is equal to A.
Very good. So in this question, it is given that A and B are symmetric matrices. Okay. A and B are symmetric matrices. Are symmetric matrices. Okay. So that means what? A transpose is equal to A and B transpose is equal to B. This is given in the question. This is given. Now they're saying that show that AB is symmetric if and only if A and B commute. So first of all, we will let P is equal to AB. Now we need to show that this is symmetric. So we will find P transpose. So this will become AB transpose. Now Yashika, can you tell me what is AB transpose?
So B transpose, A transpose.
Very, very good. So this we will get P transpose is equal to, this is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now, we already know that B transpose is equal to B. This is given in the question. Similarly, A transpose is equal to A. So P transpose, we will get BA. Now, what we need to show that this is symmetric. That means we need to show P transpose is equal to P. If we will check this P, then P is equal to AB. We will check P transpose, then this is equal to BA. So when can we say that P transpose is equal to P? Only when only when AB is equal to BA. Okay, P transpose is equal to P only when AB is equal to BA. So that means A that means A and B commute. Okay, this means AB is equal to BA. So AB is symmetric. So AB is symmetric only when AB is equal to BA. This is clear to everyone. This is a very simple question. This is clear to everyone. Noma, Huzaifa, Unib, Yashika, this is clear.
सर आपने लास्ट लाइन में क्या किया?
Here we get P transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Okay. Now we already know that B transpose is equal to B and A transpose is equal to A. This we already know. This is given in the question. So in place of B, we have put in B. Sorry, in place of A transpose, we have put A. Now, we need P transpose is equal to P because in the question we need to prove AB is symmetric. Okay, and we have assumed that P is equal to AB. So what we need, P transpose is equal to P. So P transpose is equal to P only when AB is equal to BA. ठीक है ना? यहाँ P transpose is equal to BA है. In place of BA अगर हम AB लिखते हैं, then we can say that P transpose is equal to P.
Yes, sir.
That's why P transpose is equal to P only when AB is equal to B. That's mean A and B commute. So that means AB is equal to B. Okay, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then please note down this, all of you. Then we will start the next question. Okay, please let me know once you complete it. Then we will start next. Okay, Josefa, can we extend today's class by 30 minutes? Josefa? Josefa, can we extend our class by 30 minutes? Josefa, yes or no? Okay, good. Please let me know once it is completed. Then we will start the next question and then we can start a new chapter, determinants. Okay. Okay, Noma, very good. Josefa, Unib, Yashika, please confirm if it is done so that we can start the next question. Josefa, Unib, and Yashika, please confirm me if it is completed. Okay, Yashika, good. Okay, Unib. Josefa, this is done? Okay, very good. Now next. Next question, if A is a square matrix and A square is equal to A, then show that A plus I plus A cube. Okay, Josefa, you need to go out. So that means it is not possible to extend the class. Am I correct? Okay. No issue, Josefa. Then we will complete this chapter today and start determinants tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Okay, you're welcome. Now, please try this question. If A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A, then show that I plus A cube is equal to 7A plus I. So I will solve this question. Please check here. It is given A square is equal to A. This is given. Okay. Now we need to show that to show I plus A cube is equal to 7A plus I. So we will just put the formula of A plus B whole cube. What is the formula for A plus B whole cube? This is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB A plus B. Okay, we will apply this formula. So this is equal to A cube, that means I cube, plus B cube, that means A cube, plus 3AB, 3A into B, into A plus B, that means I plus A. So now I cube will remain I. Okay, always remember, if you are finding I square, I cube, I to the power 4, you will always get I plus A cube. This A cube can be written as A square into A. Again, we have already discussed that if you are multiplying any identity matrix with a matrix, then you will get the same matrix, I plus A. Okay, and you will get this I plus A cube is equal to I. Now, what's the value of A square? It is given A. So we will write A. We will write A plus open this bracket. You will get 3AI plus again open this bracket 3A square. So this I plus A cube, this we will get what? I plus A square plus 3A plus 3a. Okay, in place of a square, we have again put a square is equal to a. Now here what we will get, we get I plus a cube. This is equal to I plus a plus 3a and plus 3a. Now if you will add all these terms, then you will get I plus 7a. And this is what we need to prove. This is clear? Josefa, Noma, Unip, Yashika, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Josefa, good. Okay, Noma, good. Unip and Yashika, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then please note down this and confirm me. Okay, Unip. Okay, Noma, very good. Josefa, Unip and Yashika, please confirm if it is done. Okay, Josefa, very good. Yashika and Unip, shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Unip, shall we start next? Unip, this is done. Unip, this is done. Unip, I'm going to start next question. Okay, if you miss anything, then please let me know. Okay, so this question came in CBSE 2016. Okay, A is a square matrix, A square is equal to I. Then find the simplified value of this one. Just give me a minute. Okay, we will try this question again. So okay, please try this question. Okay, and let me know if you have any doubt in this. In the meantime, I will check this question because I think there's some problem. Okay, the question is correct. Please try to solve it and let me know if anyone have a doubt in this. This will be done in the same way as we have done the previous question. Okay, please try this question the same way. Okay, to find the value of a cube, we can write this like this: a square into a, and we know that a square is I, so we will get I into a. Finally, we get a, so that means a cube is equal to a. Okay, I will write all the formulas here. Please put these formulas and tell me the final answer. A minus whole cube, b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and a minus b. a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Okay, please try this. We just put the formula a minus. Please let me know if anyone has completed this question. A plus I whole cube minus 7a. Okay. Okay, Yashika, very good. This is the correct answer. Very good. A cube minus b cube minus 3ai a minus I plus a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b minus 7a. Okay, a cube means we have already find out the value, that is a, minus I cube means I, minus 3a. Okay, a minus I plus a cube is again a plus I plus 3a, and this is a plus I minus 7a. Again, open this, a minus I minus 3a square plus 3ai plus a plus I plus 3a square plus 3ai minus 7a. Cancel out this. I will get cancel out. Minus 3a square plus 3a square cancel out. Here we will get a, okay, plus 3a plus a plus 3a minus 7a. So this 6 to 8, 8 minus 7 is a. This is the final answer. No, my final answer is a. Please again check the calculation. Okay, so this was our last topic of matrices. This chapter is completed. Tomorrow we will start the determinant. Okay, I will tell you the homework. Please complete the homework. Homework is matrices assignment 1 to 4. Okay, and in total you will get assignment in which there are almost around 60 to 70 questions. Okay, please don't do that assignment right now. We will do that later on. Okay, we will discuss all the questions of that assignment in the class. Okay, most of the questions are of true and false. So please don't do that assignment right now. Right now, please do the assignment from 1 to 4. Complete it till tomorrow, and then we will start the determinants. Okay, but please till tomorrow complete this chapter, matrices. Okay. Okay, Noma, please check the calculation, and all the other students, if you wish, you can drop off. Okay, we will continue this chapter. Sorry, new chapter tomorrow. Okay.
सर कल छुट्टी नहीं है क्या?
नहीं, कल नहीं.
सब मैसेज आया था नोटिस की जो संडे से लेके 5th तक छुट्टी है.
ओके, नुमा, मैं फिर चेक करता हूँ, ठीक है, मैं फिर आपको इन्फॉर्म कर दूँ, बट होनी नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि आपका एग्जाम है. वी नीड टू स्टार्ट द डिटर्मिनेंट्स. ठीक.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
ओके, वेलकम.
Thank you, sir.
ओके, वेलकम. Okay, Josefa. Then we will continue. We will start the new chapter tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.